Greensboro, North Carolina. Please welcome the mighty Earl.
That was one at a time. You see what he did there? The other shots.
You know, there are actually rare times where we can actually use those fancy stroke shots that we practice.
NANI? See what she can do with this combination. Oh yes, beautiful shot.
Magaling kang palka.
I was actually wondering why she was trying to line up that spot.
She would explain to the fans what that push shot means, Anthony.
NANI?
Then look at this effort coming up with this shot even before I was able to explain.
Oh, diba? Ang galing. Sinabi siya ito, nakamigil ka. Magandang araw mga kabilyar. Isang magandang laro ang tanghal natin ngayon. Ito ang Asian Nine Ball Tour taon 2006. Naganap ito sa lungsod ng Guangzhou sa bansang China. Nagatunggali ni Efren Reyes dito ang tinagurian The Queen of Nine Ball. Isa sa pinaka-highest rank female player sa buong mundo. Isa rin siyang pinakamagandang atleta sa kasaysayan ng bilyar. Isang World Nine Ball Champion at gold medalist ng Asian Game. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Pan Xiaoting.
Hindi totoo yan.
Naiingit ka lang. Ito ang preliminary group, double elimination sa round na ito. Ang dalawang player ay naglag para sa open break. Nanalo si Efren kaya siya ang unang magbe-break. Tatlong bola agad ang nakuha ni Efren sa break, ngunit mukhang walang siyang direktang tira sa dos. Pero ito ang sagot ng magician.
Well, her father owned a billiard club. That's how she got involved with the sport.
Look at that shot there from Efren. Showing his stuff early on here.
Galing ha? Isang magic agad ang binato ni Efren. Isang agresibong bang shot sa dos.
Two groups of three. Reyes along with Pong will match up with Zhu Ming. He's also the Chinese national coach and also a member of
24 professional players ang kalahok sa event na ito. $40 ang total force sa pagtitipon.
Reyes making short work of this right away, Anthony.
Well, he looks so comfortable. Threw the break, got 3 balls down, and even had an exhibition with that too before finishing things up here.
Unang nakapuntos ang pambato natin. Tingnan naman natin ang susunod na mangyayari.
I guess you win the break.
Ito ang rag 3, lamang si Efren 2-0. Ngunit drive break siya sa pagkakataong ito. Sa panahon ito ay nasa 24 years old na si Pan. Nasa halos 30 taon ang age gap nila ni Efren.
Relatively young in her career, she goes for the push.
Nagdesisyon siyang mag-push out dito. Ngunit ito ang hindi niya inaasahang mangyari.
Go for a ball and she gives the ball right back to Efren. That seems to be a mistake right there.
Mukhang nagkamali si Pan Xiaoting sa desisyon niya na mag-push out.
We've been there, done that, seen everything. And so I don't think there's one situation or particular spot you can put him wherein he'll be baffled. There's no question with that. This lovely lady here, being the champion as well, can't pop the balls. But when it comes to positioning, such as this one, well, she's showing us that yes, she deserves to.
Isang malupit na depensa galing sa Chinese player. Susubukan ito i-kick shot ni Efren.
Throughout
Sinubukan ni Efren ang zigzag shot. Ngunit sa pagkakataon nito, hindi niya napatamaan ang object ball.
Problem with balls. He's
Ito na ang pagkakataon ng Chinese player upang makapuntos at makabawi.
And get to work here after that missed opportunity from FN.
Susubukan niyang tapusin ang rack na ito sa isang 4-9 combination.
Well, it looks like it is lined up for her. And she does knock it down.
so 1-1 just like that.
Galing mo. Pagkitado.
And a slim 2-1 lead.
Punta tayo sa rack 5, lamang pa din si Efren 3-1.
He stays on the table.
Well, that's a brilliant shot.
Magaling kang ka.
Isang magaling na cut shot o napakanipis na tira ni Efren sa uno.
On in earnest here. Foul by Efren.
Ito no ka.
And he's feared the world.
Sa kasamang palad nagkapanti si Efren at na-scratch ito.
Young Chin Chun of Chinese Taipei. Madeline.
Tinawag si Pang Xiaoting dahil the queen at 9 ball.
This one should be no problem for her.
Ito dahil sa murang edad pa lamang ay isa na siyang World 9 ball champion.
That's Earl Strickland. Saw Earl Hunter. So let's see if she can finish it off, and she does in style. So the lady.
Hindi rin talaga magpabatalo ang babaeng player.
This race to 7 now. Winner breaks. This is
Ito na ang rack 7, tabla ng laro 3-3. Medyo mahihirapan si Efren na makakuha ng bola sa break. Dry break siya dito at si Pan na ang nasa lamisa. Kung mapapansin ninyo ay wala siyang direktang tira sa uno, kaya ito na ang ginawa ng Chinese player dito.
I was actually wondering why she was trying to line up that spot.
if you would explain to the fans what that push shot means, Anthony, and
Once again, the push is given to the excuse me, it's given to the player who is on the table. No shot was dropped. And look at this Efren coming up with this shot even before I was able to explain how that.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Nagsatsambang ko lang yun. Mabigyan naman eh.
Hindi sukat akalain ng lahat na pinupuntariya pala ni Efren ang 9. Nagkamali na naman si Pan sa decision sa post.
so now jumping ahead a little bit here.
There's some movement on the 9. Watch the 9.
Ito ang rack 8. Magaling din ang pagka-break ng Chinese player. Makikita natin sa rack na ito kung gaano din kagaling ang tinagurian the Queen 9 ball ng China.
Let's see if she can bring it out far enough for that 3. You see the red 3 monitor. Needs to keep the head down. Oh yes, great shot.
Kinapusipan sa placing dito. Dikit ang bulamano sa rail. At medyo malayo ang 5. Ngunit ito ang pasabog ng babaeng player.
With this combination here. Oh yes, beautiful shot. Following the pace from Efren Reyes there.
That was a fantastic billiard.
Magaling ka eh. Relax mo lang.
Isang agresibong billiard shot sa 9 ang nagawa ni Pan Xiaoting dito. Pinatalong pa niya dito ang bulamano.
Efren.
Ito na ang rack 11. Napaka-close ng laro, 5-5. Tingnan naman natin kung ano ang may sasagot ng magician.
Oh, nice shot. Somehow getting to keep inside of that foot.
Panahon na siguro na ipakita ni Efren kung sino ba talaga siya.
But he knocks it down just the same, and the 7 for good measure.
That's just brilliant stuff by Efren.
Unti-unti nang lumalabas ang totoong kakayahan ng magician.
Brings it cross town.
Sa panahon ito ay sobra 40 years na naglalaro si Efren. Sa larong billiard, isa talaga ang advantage ang experience. Ika nga nila, experience is the greatest teacher.
Yung dila mo lukot-lukot eh.
San Miguel Asian 9-ball tour exhibition.
Nasa hill na si Efren, 6-5.
If it's a breaking run out here for Pan, still one more opportunity for Efren.
See how close.
Ito ang Rock 12 sa kasamaang pala drive break si Pandito.
Moving on with the win here. Table is pretty spread out here.
Lots of space.
Sa panahong ito ay isa ng 5 times winner si Efren sa Asian 9-ball tour. Kaya kung mananalo siya dito, ito ay pang-anim na niyang title.
Think about it, Chuck. He went through a lot.
Zooming can do something with Efren. Basically just a formality right now for Efren Reyes as he will take the inaugural match. He will indeed defeat Hangzhou Ting of China, the Chinese lady champion, 7-5. Beautiful match.
Nanalo nga si Efren sa match na ito kontra sa tinuguriang rising star ng China na si Pang Xiaoting, 7-5. Sa kabuuan na kamit ni Efren ang 7 titulo sa event na ito, kung kaya't siya na ang isa sa pinakamatagumpay sa kasaysayan ng Asian 9-ball tour. Ang pag-like ninyo sa bidyong ito ay malaking bagay na po sa amin. Shoutout po sa lahat na solid Efren Reyes fans. Ikaw ka-bilyard, ano masasabi mo sa performance ipinakita ni Efren Reyes sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang bidyong ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!